Everyone's talking about AI. But while most people are just watching, some are quietly making $10,000 or more without a team, without an audience, and without any tech skills. And they're doing it using free AI tools that you probably already have access to. So the real question is, why not you? Today I'm going to show you exactly how to do it, step by step, using only AI. No fluff, no hacks, just a proven method that turns ChatGPT and Pictory into real income. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly what to offer, how to deliver it with AI, and how to find paying clients without spending a single cent on ads. Here's how it works. To hit $10,000, you need to sell something people already want and are willing to pay real money for. Some of the most in-demand services right now include AI-powered blog content, affiliate review videos, and chatbot responses for local businesses. For this method, we'll build and sell an AI-powered blog content package. You'll charge $1,000 for 4 blog posts, complete with SEO metadata and social captions. Sell that 10 times, and you've hit your 10K goal. Now let's build the product in real time. Open ChatGPT. Free or paid version, both work. Use a prompt like this. Generate a blog post outline on 10 best hiking trails in Sweden. Then write the full article, around 800 words. Include an SEO-friendly title, meta description, subheadings, and 2 social media captions. ChatGPT instantly gives you everything. Outline, full article, metadata, and captions. Copy that into Google Docs. That's post number 1 done in less than 5 minutes. Repeat the same process to generate 3 more posts on related topics. In just 15 minutes, you've created a high-quality blog package worth $1,000, and it's ready to deliver. No writing skills, no hiring writers, just smart prompting and copy-paste. Now let's take that same content and double its value. Open Pictory.ai. Paste in your blog post text. Let it auto-generate a script and match it with stock footage, transitions, captions, and even voiceover. In under 10 minutes, you have a professional-grade video version of the article. Now you're delivering not just blog content, but also video content optimized for Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube Shorts. This is a massive value add. You can upsell each blog post with a video for an extra $300. That's $1,300 per client instead of just $1,000. Which means you only need 8 clients to hit $10,000. This method is fast, simple, and proven. You're leveraging AI to do 90% of the heavy lifting. You're not guessing, you're building real services people want and showing your value clearly on screen. Let's get into the most important part, how to actually get clients, even if you're starting with 0 audience and no experience. Start with low-hanging fruit. Local businesses, online creators, niche blogs, and even Shopify store owners are all looking for content right now. You're going to approach them with a clean, value-first offer. Go to Google and search for businesses in any niche. Yoga studios in Austin, realtors in Miami, fitness coaches on Instagram. Find their website. If it's outdated, has no blog, or hasn't posted in months, that's your cue. Send them a simple message. You can say, hey, I help businesses create blog and video content using AI. Fast and affordable. I can send you a free sample if you're interested. No strings attached. That sample is key. Use ChatGPT to generate a custom blog post based on their niche. Send it with a clean Google Doc link. Add, if you like it, I offer full content packages starting at $997. Do this for 10 to 20 businesses per day. That's it. Personalized, value-first outreach. No spam, no cold sales tactics. Your conversion rate might be 5 to 10%, which means every 20 messages could land you 1 to 2 clients. That's $1,000 to $2,000 in revenue per day. Once someone says yes, you send them a simple onboarding form. Ask for their niche, target audience, product or service, and tone of voice. Then use ChatGPT to generate content that matches exactly what they want. For delivery, organize everything in a clean Google Drive folder. Include blog posts, SEO metadata, captions, and a short Loom video explaining what you've done. If you're offering videos with Pictory, include those as downloadable files or YouTube links. This is what makes your service feel premium. Clear process, fast turnaround, polished delivery. As soon as you've closed 3 to 5 clients, start building systems. Create reusable ChatGPT prompts. Save your best performing templates. Use ClickUp or Notion to track client work. And outsource parts of the process if needed, especially Pictory editing or customer support. Want to go even faster? Productize your offer, build a landing page with a Stripe payment link, show examples. Let clients buy your package directly. No calls, no DMs. Just plug and play. Use AI tools to create high-value content, offer it as a premium service, show proof, deliver fast, and repeat. You do not need to go viral. You do not need a massive following. Just a solid offer and consistent outreach. By doing this consistently, you can absolutely earn $10,000 with AI, even if you're starting from scratch. Now let's push this to the next level. Because once you've made your first few thousand with AI, the goal is to make it predictable. Not one-time cash, but repeatable income that stacks every month. The easiest way to do that is to turn your service into a subscription. Instead of charging $1,000 once for 4 blog posts, offer a monthly plan. Something like 4 blog posts, 4 short videos, plus 1 newsletter or social media calendar for $1,200 per month. Just 5 clients on this plan gives you $6,000 a month in recurring income. And you can still take one-off projects on top of that. To make this easier to sell, give your offer a name like Content Engine Pro or AI Growth Package. Add structure. People don't want random services. They want a system. You are that system powered by AI. Use Zapier or Make.com to automate your form submissions, client onboarding, and even some parts of delivery. You can also train custom GPTs to generate content in your client's style. Now you're not just selling content, you're building a system that anyone can plug into. Every time you finish a project, ask your client, "Mind if I share this as an example?" Create a Notion page or mini portfolio where you show before and after results. If the client went from 0 blogs to page 1 on Google, say that. If they doubled their engagement on Instagram because of your video content, show it. If you don't have real clients yet, create 3 fake brands, completely made up businesses, and build sample content for each. Present them like real case studies. The goal isn't to deceive, but to demonstrate. You're showing what you can do before someone pays you. You can go general, but if you want to scale faster, pick a niche. Whether it's realtors, fitness coaches, med spas, or SaaS startups, niching down makes your pitch 10 times stronger. You'll understand their language, you'll know their pain points, and you'll be able to tailor every piece of content to what actually moves the needle for them. And here's the truth. You don't need to know everything about the niche. ChatGPT will help you sound like an expert. Ask it, what are the top content strategies for dentists looking to get local clients? Boom. Instant insight. Now package that as a service. The biggest mistake people make is waiting to feel ready. Waiting until they've mastered the tools. Waiting until they have a fancy website. But the reality is, action beats perfection, especially with AI. The tools are changing fast. The opportunity is now. And no one's asking for your diploma, they just want results. So here's your challenge. Before the end of the day, send your first outreach message. Pick one business. Use the prompts from this video. Offer something valuable, and just start. Because the only thing standing between you and $10,000 is 10 clients. And those 10 clients are just a few smart, intentional actions away. So don't scroll past this like every other video. Don't save it for later. Open ChatGPT, try Pictory, pick a niche, and start building.